Enchanted Strings, the tale of the Harmonic Harpist. Once upon a time, in a kingdom divided by discord and strife, there lived a gifted musician named Meloria. Meloria was known throughout the land for her exceptional talent in playing the harp. It was said that when she played, the very air around her would dance to the melodies, and the hearts of those who heard her music would be touched and changed. This enchanting harp, known as the Harmonic Harp, had been passed down in Meloria's family for generations. It was said to possess extraordinary power, capable of bringing harmony and unity to even the most conflicted of lands. However, the key to unlocking this power lay in a legendary song that had long ago been scattered into 6 parts, each hidden and protected throughout the kingdom. The first turning event in Meloria's quest began when she encountered an elderly, blind woman at the local market. The woman, sensing Meloria's innate connection to the harmonic harp, shared with her a prophecy. It foretold that only the true wielder of the enchanted harp could bring together the 6 parts of the legendary song and restore harmony to the divided kingdom. Intrigued and determined, Meloria accepted the challenge and embarked on her journey. Meloria's first trial took her to the depths of the Whispering Woods. Here, she faced treacherous vines that ensnared her, threatening to keep her captive. Refusing to succumb to fear, Meloria played a gentle lullaby on her harp. The soothing music calmed the vines, releasing her and revealing the first piece of the song carved into the bark of an ancient tree. The second challenge led Meloria to the formidable Thundering Peaks. Howling winds and slippery ice impeded her ascent. To overcome the treacherous conditions, Meloria strummed a powerful tune on her harp. As the melody resonated through the air, the wind and ice ceased their assault, allowing her to reach the mountaintop, where the second piece of the song awaited her, etched into the stone. Her third trial took Meloria to the treacherous labyrinth of whispers, where she faced numerous dead ends, false passages, and ever-changing walls. Desperate to find the next piece of the song, Meloria played an enchanting, intricate melody on her harp, guiding her through the maze. When she reached its heart, she discovered the third piece of the song, woven into the silk of a magnificent spider's web. Meloria faced her fourth challenge within the City of Shadows, a place where light and darkness were in a constant battle. The streets were filled with mysterious, distrustful citizens who concealed their faces and intentions. Meloria played a hopeful, heartwarming tune on her harp, causing the city's residents to trust her and aid her in finding the fourth piece of the song. It was hidden inside a seemingly ordinary locket worn by the city's elder. The fifth trial took Meloria to the enchanted moonlit lake. To retrieve the fifth piece of the song, she had to face the fearsome siren of the depths, who used her bewitching song to lure travelers to their doom. To counter the siren's deadly allure, Meloria played a resounding, mesmerizing harmony on her harp, rendering the siren powerless. The grateful creature gifted Meloria with the fifth piece of the song, etched into a delicate seashell. The final trial awaited Meloria at the heart of the kingdom, in a forgotten, crumbling library. Here, she encountered the Guardian of Knowledge, a wise but fearsome creature who protected the secrets of the ages. The Guardian challenged Meloria to a battle of wits, forcing her to answer 3 riddles. Confident in her wisdom, Meloria answered each riddle correctly, astonishing the guardian. As a reward, the creature bestowed upon her the final piece of the song, inscribed in an ancient, leather-bound tome. With the 6 pieces of the legendary song finally reunited, Meloria returned to the heart of the divided kingdom. Standing in the central square, she began to play the enchanting tune on her harmonic harp. As the notes soared through the air, a profound transformation occurred. The bitter rivalries and disagreements that had once torn the kingdom apart began to dissolve. People from opposing factions set aside their differences, joining hands and hearts as they listened to Meloria's captivating performance. The magical music restored love and compassion within the hearts of the citizens, rekindling old friendships and forging new bonds. In that moment, the Harmonic Harpist's reputation spread far and wide, as the entire kingdom was unified through the power of the legendary song. The once divided land was now a realm of harmony, peace, and understanding. Grateful for Meloria's courageous journey and the sacrifices she had made, the people of the kingdom celebrated her triumph and proclaimed her a true hero. From that day forward, the enchanted music of Meloria, the Harmonic Harpist, continued to inspire and uplift the hearts of those who heard it. The kingdom thrived, and harmony reigned supreme, all thanks to the young musician and her enchanted harp. The legendary song served as a reminder of the power of unity, music, and the human spirit, and the kingdom flourished under its soothing, magical melody. And so, the tale of the Harmonic Harpist was passed down through the generations, inspiring countless others to seek harmony within themselves and with one another, ensuring that peace and love would always prevail in the realm.